Welcome to our tutorial about the Divide tool. Let's start by creating a line. This tool creates evenly spaced points along the length of an object. The tool is located on the Home tab, Draw panel. Left-click to activate it. The first thing to do is to select an object. Next, we input the number of segments we want to create. Let's say 4 and press Enter. Now visually nothing seems to have happened, but let's activate the Line tool. And let's just ensure that Snap to Mode is toggled on. Now when I mouse over the line, I wake up the nodes, and I can snap to any of these points. In our previous lesson, we learned about the DDP type command that opens the Point Style dialog window. Let's select the point style, and let's click OK. Now my points are visible, and we can see that the line is now divided into 4 equal segments as we'd specified. Next, let's try applying the Divide tool to an arc. Let's draw a 3-point arc. Activate the Divide command again. Select the arc. Now input the number of segments you want to divide the arc into. 5. Press Enter. And here are the results, fast and easy. Let's try applying the tool to a different entity, for example, a polyline. Right-click and Enter to accept the polyline. Now let's activate the Divide command. Select the polyline. The number of segments, let's say 7, and press Enter. And now our polyline is divided into 7 equal segments. Let's try applying the Divide command to a circle. Circle tool, center point, radius, and let's activate the Divide command. I'm going to select my circle. Now enter 4, press Enter, and the points are placed at the quadrant points. Let's try the circle again with a different number of segments. Divide, select the object, let's say 5 segments this time. And as you see, the first point snapped to the quadrant again. Let's see how the Divide command can be applied to blocks. First, we'll create a rectangle. Now let's convert it to a block. Select the object. Right-click to finish the selection. Use the Pick Point option to select the base point. And let's give our block a name. We will call it Block and click OK. Let's create a polyline now. Right-click and Enter to accept the line. And let's activate the Divide command. Select our polyline. Now instead of entering the number of segments, I'm going to right-click and select Block. Let's enter the name of the block I want to insert and press Enter. At this point, we've got 2 options: align the block with the object or not. We can choose yes or no. Type Y and press Enter. That means yes. Now we enter the number of segments, say 5, and press Enter. And let's try it again. I'll select the polyline. Right-click, scroll to Block. Enter the block name to insert. Press Enter. Align block with object. Let's try N for no, and press Enter. Enter the number of segments, let's say 5, and press Enter again. As you see, the Divide command is pretty simple, but very useful. This concludes our tutorial about the Divide tool. In our next tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Measure tool.